Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. My eye is so swollen. I don't know what's going on. We're about to make breakfast. We're gonna be doing an avocado toast with egg. It's really simple, really easy to do, because with this eye, I just don't feel like doing much. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna be using the Nature's Own perfectly crafted thick sliced multigrain. I've been really enjoying this bread. We get it at Costco and it tastes really good and it looks really good. I need to learn how to make it. Look at this. How amazing is that? Oh, no, we gotta do one. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh, not yet. We gotta connect it. Let's connect it. Go. There you go. Now we wait. Ready?
Ooh, look. One, 2.
Yeah, and then we pop it out.
What? Yeah.
1, 2. Mash, 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 mash. We're gonna add some salt, pepper. We bring our toast, and then we spread. One for JT. Oh. There we go. Really like mixing my eggs with a spatula. I feel like it's so easy. It's so uncommon. People look at me like I'm weird when I do that, but it just, I don't know. It's just a whole lot easier to get everything. Get under there really thin. I like to make it kind of like in a square shape a little bit, because then I'm gonna cut it in half and flip it. Alright, let's build Mama's avocado toast. I'm gonna put some of this and then egg. Woo-hoo. Alright, we put on a little bit of makeup, but we stayed away from the eyes because this is not looking good. But anyways, we're gonna be doing a smoothie, right, Mama? And it's gonna be a banana peanut butter smoothie. This morning, they made me open up a banana, I mean, and they did not eat it. So, guess what? Smoothie time it is. I also had some in the fridge that were frozen, so this is gonna be yummy. Yeah, Mama? And then I'm going to also add some hemp seeds. These are nice to add. I usually add 1 spoon of this. What are you doing? She keeps putting her bottle in here. I don't think we need that in there, Mama. So 1 little spoon is about how much I use. And then the same thing with the chia seeds. I use 1 spoon. Now, time to get to the peanut butter. For the peanut butter, I usually do 2 spoonfuls of this. Okay, Mama. Let's do this fast. All right, 2 spoons. We're good. And for the milk, I'm going to use oat milk. For this smoothie, I'm also going to add some ice. It doesn't have a lot of frozen. That banana is the only thing frozen, and usually the ice really makes it crunchy and the kids love it. All right, this is what we have so far. We have some ice, banana, peanut butter, hemp seeds, and chia seeds. I'm gonna use my oat milk that I made. So I give it a nice little swirl here. And now we pour. Let's do this. One for LJ. Here we go. There you go. And Daddy's cups.
Mama, I want to wrap.
Cheers! Salud! Yeah. We have made it to Busch Gardens, y'all. We are so excited. We needed to come out here because it's been a rough week. I took some Tylenol and some ibuprofen as well, and the swelling has gone down immensely and it's not painful anymore. I think it is a sty because it's like deep in there. Hopefully it'll get better soon. But today we're just gonna have a good time. We're only here for 1 hour. They close at 8, but we figured this is a good opportunity to come and let the kids run around without there being a ton of people. Basically a big, huge swing. It's awesome. We made it back from Busch Gardens. We had a good night. It's actually really nice going during the week because there's nobody out there and the kids can actually run through the park and we have an eye on them. Because a lot of times when it's too busy at the parks, you can't really do that because you'll lose them in like a second. So I rode the Serengeti Flyer. That thing is awesome. It's just like a big swing. Literally, that's what it is. It kind of reminds me of like the boats, the ones that go like this. It has the same sensation as like those boats that you see at like fairs and stuff. But definitely I feel like more G's and like faster because it was intense nonetheless. Anyways, let's go ahead and do beer clock. My eye's looking better too, you guys, so that's good. We'll see how it wakes up tomorrow though. If it's still bad, then I'm gonna go to the doctor because it might be infected. This is the Bavarian style beer, right? That's what it said? Bavarian style wheat beer. It looks like a normal beer, the color.
It's a Hefeweizen. You like Hefeweizens.
This one's good. Not great, but good. Much better than the stuff we've been drinking. So.
Better than grapefruit crack?
No, whatever that other one was.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
That's a beer.
That's a beer, yeah. This one's good. I wouldn't say it's like marvelous, but It's good. This completes this video. So like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah. Bye.